Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to approach transforming a Jeep Cherokee into something resembling a Trackhawk. This isn't a simple conversion, as a true Trackhawk is a specific Grand Cherokee model. The primary difference lies in the engine and drivetrain, making a direct swap the only viable path. We'll explore the extensive modifications required to achieve a similar level of performance and power, focusing on the core components that define the Trackhawk's identity. It's a challenging, custom project. The absolute heart of any Trackhawk-like build is the formidable 6.2-liter supercharged Hellcat V8 engine. This powerhouse delivers an incredible 707 horsepower, which is what truly defines the Trackhawk's performance. Swapping this engine into a standard Jeep Cherokee chassis is not a simple task. It requires significant engineering and custom fabrication to ensure proper fitment, cooling, and integration with the vehicle's systems. This is the most critical and challenging step. Beyond the engine, you'll need a drivetrain capable of handling all that power. This means a heavy-duty transmission and a robust all-wheel drive system, often sourced from a donor Trackhawk or similar high-performance vehicle. Furthermore, the chassis requires significant reinforcement, and the suspension and braking systems must be completely upgraded. Standard Cherokee components simply cannot cope with the immense horsepower and torque, making these structural and performance enhancements absolutely vital for safety and functionality. Let's be clear. Transforming a Jeep Cherokee into a Trackhawk-like vehicle is an incredibly complex, time-consuming, and expensive undertaking. This is not a bolt-on kit. It requires extensive custom fabrication, specialized automotive expertise, and a substantial budget, easily running into six figures. For most enthusiasts, the most practical and cost-effective solution is to consider purchasing a factory-built Grand Cherokee Trackhawk directly. This provides a fully engineered, warrantied, and high-performance vehicle, without the immense challenges of a custom build.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.